This is day 3 for us. We're kind of ready to get to the other side. I'm getting the zucchini ready for the noodles, spaghetti sauce, raw style for the pasta for the spaghetti. And this fits into the raw diet just perfectly. I'm just using a julienne peeler. I don't have a zoodler yet. It would be great if I did. Or a spiralizer, I guess that's what they call it. I get to take the hard way out. It's okay, it works. It works. Anyway, there you have it, super easy. And now you've got your pasta, you just put it in a pretty bowl. Get that ready for your sauce. And you could use some cold pressed olive oil along with some balsamic vinegar on here and have a dish all by itself. A little sprig of basil up in there. Yum! I am making spaghetti sauce raw style, and I am peeling this beet, which they're so messy. You want to be careful, make sure you don't have something on and it get on you that you wish you didn't, because it will stain. And we're just using a little bit of beet. I don't know, that's probably about 1/4 of a cup. And then we're using a cup of sun-dried tomatoes, and we're gonna give those a little chop. Make sure you're careful with your knife and don't cut your finger off. No emergency rooms. Okay, so I'm just gonna pop these in the blender. I'm gonna throw that beet in there. We're using 2 pounds of tomatoes, and I did the, I'll probably say it wrong, Campari. And I'm gonna chop them in half just to help the blender out a little bit. And you can use your Vitamix to make soups, and it can warm the sauce a little bit, still keeping it at 115 degrees or less so that we are not harming any enzymes or nutrients in the process. Because on the raw diet, we don't do that. Whoop, man down. I'm gonna go ahead and blend this. Wow, it handled it very nicely, I must say. Very nicely. All right, get these up in there.
All right, this is my quick and easy way to cut a pepper because I had to cut a bunch of them at work. So you cut a little bit at the end, a little bit at the top, like that. Of course, you can do a little bit more, but you can pop right out. This is already gone, so I'll just show you on this side. But if you just slice right here, and then you can wheel it out, and then you'll just cut it in there like that. So you'll probably get my gist.
That is amazing.
And that's it.
Oh,
you just take that right out, and then you still have all this goodness on the top and bottom that you can still eat.
That is fantastic. Fantastic. We're adding 1 red pepper. And we're going to do a little sprig of fresh basil. Oh my gosh, this smells amazing. I love to get it all over my hands. 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and as usual, I am using the lovely Palmetto Olive Oil Company with the garlic flavor, my favorite. Very versatile. And then 1 teaspoon of sea salt, 1 tablespoon of dried basil. Basil's my favorite. 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of parsley. And now we're gonna blend that up. Look how fresh those colors look. Time to taste. Oh my goodness, it looks like a fabulous spaghetti sauce. I am happy. It tastes amazing. You gotta taste it, you gotta taste it.
Okay.
Moment of truth.
Wow, that's terrific.
A lot of flavor. So this is what I'm thinking about doing. I'm thinking about food process the same thing that we did for the taco, but with different seasonings so that it feels like we're eating meat.
Okay.
And then we'll have spaghetti that feels like we have ground beef in there. And I think that's a fabulous idea.
Oh, yes.
So this completes this section for the actual spaghetti sauce. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you so much. It's dinner time and I'm having raw spaghetti. I'm halfway through. It's good. Don't mind it at all. And I did put some sunflower seeds on it just to give it a little bit of crunch. And yeah.